We've been able to visit 2 counties, Laikipia County and Samburu County. In Laikipia County, we've been to 6 places, that is in Laikipia West and Laikipia East. In Samburu, we've been able to visit Samburu West. We've seen about 3,000 patients from the 9 locations. We had 3 objectives for this exercise. The first objective was learning and educating one another. The second exercise was the humanitarian civil aid. And the third option was deepening our cooperation with BATUK. For the learning, we've been able to train 40 to 45 personnel in readiness for mission. This exercise took place in the first few days before the humanitarian civil action, where we've been able to visit the marginalized communities, where healthcare is not as easy to access as compared to other towns. The most common diseases we've been able to see are the humanitarian diseases, the upper respiratory tract infections, and also another common disease was the eye problems, where from the exposure to dust and the lack of first aid care, majority of the patients we've seen have eye problems. And our third objective was to focus on the deepening our trust and the cooperation with BATUK, where we've been able to share experiences and share knowledge that is vital for future enhanced cooperations with BATUK in such exercises.
Yeah, this experience is really positive. The last time I came to Kenya, we came and delivered something like this, but it was British military led, and that was in 2012. The difference now is that we're working with the local health authorities from Laikipia and from Samburu, and also with the Kenyan Defence Force medics, which is very different to my previous experiences. What that's allowed us to do now, though, is to work collaboratively with the health authorities and the Kenyan Defence Forces so that we can treat more patients and we have a better product in what we're delivering. So we've managed to do 9 different locations, 6 in Laikipia and 3 in Samburu. And each day my team will travel out with the Kenyan Defence Forces and the health authorities. In Laikipia it's with Beyond Zero, but in Samburu it was with the health authorities. We will get to each location where we'll set up and then treat the population as they come in. All of the planning for the outreach has been jointly planned with the local health authorities and with the liaison officers in BATUK to ensure that we're delivering what the local population want and not just what the British military want us to deliver. Yeah, I think the society has received us very well. In a lot of locations we are going to extremely remote parts of Samburu and same in Laikipia, where the population maybe won't see a doctor or a nurse that often. So we have been treated well. I know yesterday when the market was on that the village actually prepared food for the teams that were delivering the healthcare, which was a huge honour for my guys. So we have been received very well in what we've been doing.
One second.
If you go on video.
Very good. Very good. Ni president wa TZ anaambia
So where did I put that? It's 5 years. So here, 2 rods. I have no glasses. So that's 3 years. Oh, you need glasses? Here? Yeah, that's here.
Anyone up there? Beatrice is 5 years.
Exactly. How old?
She said 2 rods on.
Yeah.
So how many do you want?
just finished 3 boxes.
Yeah.
Do you need some more boxes?
No, I've got.
In most of our camps, we have had high numbers of women and children turning up, relevantly high numbers of men also seeking medical services in a community or in a culture where men have poor medical seeking habits. We've been able to see quite a good number of men turning up. Even the young men are also turning up, unlike in the years back where we were not able to see more men coming out. I think through the community health promoters, they have been able to reach the communities and advocated for proper and importance of seeking medical help when you're sick.